Bubbles. Is that your government name?
Angie, sir.
Angie. Angie. You are a good man. You have a good heart. Especially towards the people around you. And I must say, especially towards my daughter, Denise. Even though she tends to use up her mouth and she can't control it, you remain our friend. For that I'm pleased. But of late, I am seeing where we're hiding things from each other. And that cannot be good.
Yes, sir. But, sir, you and I know your daughter mouth. That's why I keep the secrets.
But me just tell you that. But when it's friends, and friends don't keep certain secret from friends, especially if them secret there go and jeopardize the friendship.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a journey that you and Denise will be embarking on. Me did tell her that the other day. And me tell you the other day. And I tell you again. But this journey, one is going to need each other. You have to be strong. I know that there are some things that me get to understand, say you don't believe in her. But when you are going to encounter people that have some bad spirits around them, you are going to need spirits around you to counter that.
Mr. Shepherd, sir. Me no believe in a them something there. Me believe in a way me can see.
And that, my dear, will be your biggest downfall. You don't have to see it to believe it. You can see the breeze, but you can feel it. You can see your conscience, but you know it there. But it's about there right now. You can see your mind, but you know say it did it. Understand this. Though the body dies, the spirit lives on. Angie, you are going to need the assistance of the ancestors. You cannot go this journey alone. There are unscrupulous characters that are lying in our wait. Angie, prepare yourself. I said prepare yourself. No. I was taken here by the spirits. But I am not leaving here without this spirit. Get me some white rum, please.
Sir. Your daughter know you drink?
No business with that. The whole of Denise friend them just fresh like her.